Today, the Ministry of Commerce of China has announced that Beijing and Washington finally agreed to gradually cancel some existing tariffs. Against this background, market sentiment has improved. This news boosted oil prices, the stock market, as well as the demand for risky assets. The US dollar index failed to develop its uptrend, having faced strong resistance near its monthly high of 98.00. After sliding down, the US dollar index settled up above 97.48. Nevertheless, the general trend remained bullish. The euro-dollar pace trading upwards after the release of the news about the US-China deal. The euro is gaining ground, however, its bullish run is limited by rather downbeat macroeconomic statistics. According to Federal Statistical Office, German industrial output fell by 0.6% in September, while analysts predicted a lesser drastic drop of only 0.3%. These figures are indicating that the euro area economy is lacking any drivers, as the German industry is the main contributor to the European economic growth. There is an obvious need for some stimulus measures from the European Central Bank. The British economy needs economic stimulus as well. Today, during the policy meeting of the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee, 2 out of 9 members, Saunders and Haskell, called for a 0.25% rate cut. However, the majority decided to keep the rate unchanged at 0.75%. A possible reduction of the rate caused a massive sell-off of the British currency. The pound-dollar pair collapsed by 60 points. At the time of preparing the material for this video, the quote was near 1.2810. At the same time, sellers remain cautious in anticipation of the press conference of Bank of England Governor Mark Carney. His speech is likely to affect the pound sterling, which will probably slump even lower and then break through the support level of 1.2800. Gold was also trading in a downtrend, having tumbled to the area of its weekly low of $1,480 per troy ounce. Today, the demand for precious metal has declined amid increased risk appetite. We keep close tabs on the market development. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us.